Right, this is it. I'm at it again, guys. What I did, I'm making what's called a play wall for the children. Well, this is for my granddaughter, so I was going to do it last week, and weather and this, that and the other, and I just didn't get around to doing it. So I woke up this morning, I thought, yeah, let's get on with it. But I thought I'd add some mains water to it as well, so that's what I'm doing at the moment. So what I did is I got a piece of this sheet from B&Q, home base sort of thing. Got them to cut it in half, and then I just painted it up with just normal paint. Got a bit of blue paint, and this is for my like granddaughter's birthday, which is tomorrow. So as always, I'm always cutting it a bit tight. That's so you can see what it all is, you know what I mean. You can pick these up fairly cheap from the shop. So I'm going to crack on, and I'll just add a little bit more as I'm going on. As you can see, I'm adding more each time. There we go, we've got some more features there, and you can see that, and still coming together. But nearly finished. I'm going to have to do a bit of soldering, I think, to branch them off so they've got 3 controls to stop the water. So I'll be connected up to the mains. So coming together nicely. And there's the features there. I'll go through them all at the end with you once it's all been tested, because I'm nearly there. The only thing about this, I mean, I painted that yesterday and it's still pretty dampish. It's got to be ready by tomorrow. So I'd say give it at least 3 or 4 days for that paint to dry, because I've got to go over them holes as well, haven't I? Look at the holes what I've left, because what I got that wrong. Got a few of them wrong, change it around a bit, and that's what them holes are. Never mind, all trial and error. Just put a little bit of pipe on it, just so I can get it soldered up, and then I'll cut it to length. So I've got, I really want these all on the same angle. I really want these all on the same angle, so I think what I might do, just put that in there. Come on, get on. It's crazy. Right, that's the same angle. That's the same angle. That's the same angle. So they're all on sort of like a similar angle. Yeah, and then you get that nice and straight. You line it up with that. See that? Oh, it's not working. Let's just put this straight into it. So if I put that like that, that should keep it nice and straight. Well, it won't because of that. Level it up. Hopefully. Solder this up now. Oh, don't want that too close to there. That one really coming out. Level it again, just in case. Just in case. Yeah. That's neutral. Right, so what I've done is I've put a stencil, downloaded a stencil off the internet, and I've just got some spray paint. I've got no idea how this is going to turn out. Just what I'm doing is I'm putting my granddaughter's name on there, and I'm just thinking things up as I go. But the problem is, I don't want to put too much on there because it'll just streak. Look what I've done, I put too much on. I reckon I have. Oopsie, I don't know what that's going to look like. See, messed it up. Put too much on. So what I have to do is probably wipe it off. I have to wipe that off. See? And I might try, I'll probably try something else. Like, what I might do is fill it in, draw it on with a felt tip pen, you know? Oh, put that in there, that in there, that in there, that in there, this in here. Not enough flux in there, see? Can you believe that? Very interesting. There we go. And like what I want to do is I've sorted all that in there now, and I'm just going to put all the connections in. That's in there, so that goes round here. This is going to go. Oh, still being annoying. Still being hot. It's quite hot. It's quite hot. But the idea is, should have a bit of water to drop this in really, and then just wipe that off, because you wipe the flux off because it gets sort of, it goes now like that. Oh, I forgot to put the last bit on, didn't I? Ah, see that? That's gotta be, where's that? There it is. This fit me. Right, you can't see from there, so come on over here now. Right, just come over here, man. Just come over here, Bob. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just project that in there, or I might even move that over, and then just do it like that. So, yeah. Right. There we go, that should do it. So I brought that up a little bit. There we go. Hopefully that will be all good. Don't do this at home, kids. As you can see now, it's all joined together now. What I've done at the top there, that's soldered in. Got the shower there, everything's levered off, and also you can slow the pressure down when it comes in. So what we do is we just put the pressure onto this in a minute, connect that onto there, the mains pressure I mean, and then that, hopefully I've got no leaks. You never know though, I might have a few. But the thing is, I can't really test it fully, I don't think, but maybe I will, because I'm thinking about the paint is not dry on it. So If you can think of me putting any more features on there, adding more features on there, please put them in the comments below, because I'm sure Isla will love it. What I'm going to do is, you see what I did there with the, I'm going to try and put a name on it, but obviously all the other kids can play on it. It's a shame I didn't manage to get round to doing it with my other granddaughter. Yeah, she would have loved that, but it would have been such a mess on, I reckon, with the painting and stuff. Plus the weather wasn't that good as well. So what we've done here, I've got it all together now, and I'm just testing it up now. So I'm going to connect onto this one here. This will be at the back, at the destination of my granddaughters. Right, so as you can see, we've got it all together now, and what I'm doing is just tighten this up. Just tightening. This is a washing machine hose, the longest one you can get, which is I think 2.5 meters. So this is it, just in here temporary now, as we're going to test it up now. So I'm going to turn it on. Hopefully everything's shut off. So we've got this one shut off, that one shut off, oh, that one shut off, that one shut off. Right, here we go. So we're going to test this now. So it's connected to the outside stopcock, but you can connect it any other way you want. I forgot to put the bucket under there, haven't I? So it's all, the paint's still wet, so I'm not sure how it's going to happen, what's going to happen here. So what happens is this all should be live. I've got an isolation there coming in. So I've just put it all of this now is live, it should be. Whoops, guess what? It's not live because I haven't turned the tap on. Oh, it is live because I have turned the tap on. So why is that? Oh, that's why, sorry. Goodness me, plumbing. Right, this is the tap's on, and this is the isolation here. So if the kids get a bit, see that? Did you hear that now? So what's happened is now all this, right, is I'm checking for leaks now. So the bottom one is this one, because my little sweetheart loves, she loves this, she loves it, right? But this is isolated at the moment. Why is it isolated? Because I put isolations on everything, just in case Mum doesn't really like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to test what's live, which is this. There you go. So there's the water. So they can pour that down there. I'm going to have 2 buckets. So there'll be 2 buckets, and one will go under there. Right, so this one I've used the garden hose, like I've said. Right, now let's try. There, now that's live now. So we can either fill it up on here like this. Can you see the wheel going round there? That's working. However, there we go, so they can fill this up if they want. And they can even change, you can even turn this down. So say like the kids are getting a bit too much, you know what I mean? So you can turn it down either at the stopcock there at the wall, or you can turn it down at the main one here, where it's coming in, or this one here even. So you've got all isolation on every one of them, right? So let's try this again. There you go, that's working fine. It goes down there, goes down there, goes down there, goes down there, goes down there. That way. Right, also as well, what we can do is you can fill up the water pistol. See the water pistol there? I fixed that there because you know what I like the kids with the so see that? Now that should fill up in a minute. In fact, let's put a bit of, I've got a leak on there. Can you see it's filling up? Can you see the water pistol filling up? No? You can't?
No.
Come in a bit closer. Right? Okay, so what they can do, they can fill it up this way. Zoom in the top. Zoom in the top so you can see it going in the top. Unless you can already see that. Yeah. So that's filling up the water pistol. Also, there's a little leak on there, right, which is filling up the bowl. Now, don't forget, I've got this pretty. Oh. So that's working. So the water pistol's filled up. So if you go back a bit, put that in there, and then see that. So they can take that off there, and they can play with that. So they can shoot that there. That can go back in there. So what we're doing, so we've got that one, and also what we've got as well, we've got a shower, like a normal shower what you'd have in a house. There you go. So that would also fill that up as well. So can you see it filling? Yeah. And also you can fill it here. So we can turn the shower off. And what we can do, we're going to modify this as we go. And if you see the top one there, see, this is going to be modified. I think what I might do is put a bigger hole in there. So that will go. Oh, you can even take this off, look at. Turn that on. Because you're learning the kids how to use these valves. Yeah, that goes in there, that goes in there. So that's off. Isolation there. So what I was going to do, so you've got different settings, so that can go in there too, like that. So that's got to go further down, if you can see, because this is a trial. Things have got to be modified. She's only little, she's only 2. So as you can see, it's all working fine. It's all working crusty. Very, very good indeed. Very, very happy with it.